Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, February 25th, 2025, we're analyzing Google stock. We'll combine current news with technical chart analysis to give you a comprehensive overview. Recent headlines highlight a drop in Google today after the internet search giant lost a major EU court case and was sued by a fairly large company. But what does the chart say? Let's start with the daily chart to get a broad perspective. Looking at the daily time frame, we can see a downtrend emerging recently. The stock recently dipped below $140 after trading as high as nearly $200. We can see the fall began to accelerate in early February 2025, potentially correlating with the news of the EU court case. There's a significant drop around February 5th, followed by a struggle to recover. This aligns with potential market reaction to negative legal news. However, before we get too bearish on the long term, this data from January shows potential for it to recover. There is a clear potential support level in the $130 range, with a strong bounce seen in early March of 2024. If it were to continue to drop, that may be a level to look out for and keep an eye on. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to zoom in on the recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see more granular details of the recent declines. Currently, it's floating around the $179 to $180 range. We can see consistent movement in the $179 range with little movement. A potential short-term support level appears to be forming around $178, but it will be important to see it hold. However, if it was to fall below this, it would be reasonable to expect further drops. Let's go to the 15-minute chart and see if we can confirm the movement here. On the 15-minute chart, we see a potential support around $179, followed by a steady rise. We can see if this price point will hold in the future. In summary, Google is experiencing downward pressure, likely influenced by news events. Key price levels to watch include $178 as immediate support, $130 as strong support on the daily chart, and the resistance around $185. If $178 breaks, a further decline towards $130 becomes more probable, especially if the news remains negative. A break above $185 could signal a bullish reversal, particularly if coupled with positive news flow. Keep an eye on news related to legal battles and overall market sentiment for further clues. The market is always changing, so keep an eye out.